Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Aptivo 3 Aptics, and this company has indeed make a big breakout, and that's what we are going to discuss in this video. And you are looking at a weekly chart. So with the kind of move that were very visible in the US stock market, so here you have that big move. So the stock made a breakout and also gap up of 1200% and started moving up in a big fashion, and currently it has already break a trend and it is at a new trend. And as you can see from the lows, it has already went up by at least near to 5000%, so that's indeed a very big move. So we are going to discuss about that and also some risk which one need to know. So first of all, one need to remember this blank space. Okay, so although the trend is up, but every stock has a tendency to come back or go up to refill the gap up or gap down. Okay, so now it's a gap up, so there will be a time that probably if things goes in a negative or a south direction, then obviously the stock will definitely try to retest and close the gap. So one need to understand and take this point into their notice. Okay, I'm not saying that it's going to fall down, but I'm saying in case of any adverse scenario, one need to consider this situation as well. Now we are going to discuss about the breakout, because as you can see, this was the level. Okay, now this was the level, or this was the resistance which the stock has broken on the upside. Okay, as you can see, uh, that the stock has broken on the upside with the levels that has crossed in the recent past. We are going to discuss those as well, because those carries a lot of weight and importance. Now as you can see here, okay, so this is the lower end of the range. Okay, so we are going to start from here. So as you can see here, so you have your big support at 0.22. So obviously if things again comes back here, it would anyhow going to be a very big fall. So one must know its support first. So you have your first support at 6.4, which was your previous resistance. Okay, now it will act as your first support. Below that you have your next support at $2.9, then you have 1.2, and on the downside you have 0.22. so these are the four different levels which one need to look at. Okay, and also as you can see, the stock has been consolidating inside a range and again makes a breakout. So here we can see that $10 will again be a, so 10.3 is or was your resistance, now it will be your support as well. So you have all this level as your support. Okay, and understand that we are looking at a weekly chart, so any move on the up, either on the upside or on the downside, will be big. Now the question is, because we have already makes a breakout, what next? Okay, so what's next is the big question, and that's what we are going to see probably in this particular video right now. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now if you look at this trend, okay, the stock has moved 2800% from the lows towards the previous resistance. But the thing is, what we are going to do, are we going to apply the same for the next? Maybe, maybe not, because we have to consider this gap as well. So what we are going to do, we are going to apply from this level. Okay, and in that case, so we are going to play safe and we will trail it accordingly, or either on the upside or on the downside. So because it has already makes a breakout, so the next thing which one must l- so the next thing that one must look at will be the target at $38 on the upside. Okay, so it will probably take couple of weeks, couple of months, who knows, or probably one single trading session, that depend upon the stock movement. But this is what you are going to look at, and we are going to trail it accordingly once it reaches, because any unnecessary gains uh, in a very short amount of time will definitely leads to something else. Now one must understand that the stock has already moved up by 5000%. So, and this is a true fact. So if you are considering the current gain, okay, current gain from the current price, which means the stock has already moved up by here you have 5000%. Now if I am saying that it will go up to uh, $38, then you can understand this the whole rally worth 17,000 or 18,000%, which is indeed very big. So one need to understand the gravity of overall trend, and not just the trend which has started from 2020. So if you're I mean 2000, the trend has started actually from 2020, but not from the level of $6 or above. So the trend has actually started from 0.22. So one need to understand the gravity of the profit and also the support levels, because one need to trail their support levels and place their stop losses accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.